Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram is not responding problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, just go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps option and click on it. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram is updated. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone by pressing power button. After all this process, now open Instagram and see problem solved successfully. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.